What's up, guys? Ryan with the MXG channel, back today with another Moto mystery box unboxing. Got my same 3 boxes I do every month recently: Prime Moto, Moto Delivered, and the Brat box. Let's open these. They're all about the same price. They all have pretty much the same options. You can get 1 month at a time, 3 months at a time, a year at a time if you want to save some money. Let's open these and see what comes in them. Starting with Prime Moto, and see if they're worth it for you or not. I do these unboxings for you guys, so you know if these are worth subscribing to. If you can't think of a cool gift for somebody, these make an awesome gift. Prime Moto, March box. Ooh, Electron hat, guys. I like seeing some different stuff. We're seeing a lot of the same old stuff from FMF, from Muck Off, or Fly every month. I like seeing something different. So an Electron snapback, and it's black and gray. I'm so glad this is gray and not white, because the white ones get ruined so fast. This is just my style. I will probably be repping this week on vacation. Chain cleaner, biodegradable chain cleaner, OX Z-ring compatible, removes dirt, lube, and grime from motorcycle chains from Muck Off. Cool deal. And then a custom mini plate magnet, which is my name and number and the little Prime Moto logo at the top. So that's sweet. Something to put on the fridge, or probably put it on a race trailer or something. Pretty cool. All right, so that's it for Prime Moto this month, guys. Thanks to those guys over there. Now let's check Moto Delivered. $30% off your next order at rhinopower.com. Cool. Protein mix and Mana Gel. This Mana Gel is so good, guys. It's like candy. This mixed berries. I'll be down in that here shortly. A-Stars jersey. Sick. Which one is this? The Fluid line. It feels a little heavier than some of the stuff, which I like. A lot of the jerseys are getting so super light, there's nothing to them. This actually feels like it's got some body to it. All black on the back with the A-Stars logo. Of course, it's going to be in the size you sign up for. Sweet. Slick Products Gear Fresh. Eliminates foul odors from sports equipment. Nice. Leaves no residue. Fresh, clean scent. This is something you just kind of keep in the laundry room or the gear closet, and spray your gear bag with it every time you come back. You're good to go. That's really cool. Is that it this month? I believe it is. Sweet. Now let's check the Brat box. By the way, guys, if you like these sunglasses, they got like the wooden arms. They have this nice lined black front and the blue like lenses. These are the Pure Adrenalines. You can find these over on their website. I love the Brat box tape where it says riders only, and I have to say their boxes are probably the best now too. They got boots, bikes, helmets. All right, right on the top, I see Fly Evolution jersey, guys. That's cool. Evolution's like the top of the line stuff from Fly. So it's their kind of heaviest stuff too, most protective. This is the blue-gray stuff and the size I signed up for, so sweet. Whoa, look at this super tall can. The can was so tall that they had to take off the cap to fit it in the box. That is getting product in there. So this is the quick drying chain degreaser. Oh, turbo spray. Nice. There's your cap. And that. We also have some grips. Driven Creighton gel grips. These have skulls on them. Probably not something I'd put on my race bike. In fact, these are, yeah, okay, so these are motorcycle grips, and they're open-ended. So this is something I would throw on like my pit bike or one of my older vintage bikes or something like that. Something really cool. Mana bar. This is gonna go really good with that mana gel here in a little bit. This is the strawberry Acai. So good. Thor lanyard. I know everybody out there is fine with getting a lanyard. We've got a bunch of cool Brat Box decals. They get us every month. There's that one's got goggles. This one's like boots. This one's a helmet. There's usually a few of those in here. And then of course, in just about every Brat Box, you get the latest issue of Racer X. You know, what is this? A $6 value by itself. This will give you something to look through until next month when the next Brat Box comes out. So you guys, let me know which one you thought is the best value, which one you like the best, which items you like the best, and if you subscribe to any of these, I would love to hear about it. I'm gonna put the links to them down below. See you guys in the next video.